Hello, I'm Elsie from the team at 99designs by Vista. As part of this series, I am delighted to guide you through the workings of the final round in your design contest. And in case you missed it, take a moment to check out the rest of the series where we go through each stage of the contest process. Let's move on to the final round. Welcome to the exciting final round. This is the third and last stage of your design contest, commencing immediately after you select your finalists. The primary objective of the final round is to collaborate closely with your finalists to further develop their existing concepts and bring your final design as close to perfection as possible. The final round lasts for 3 days after the finalists are chosen. However, web and app design contests have a 5-day final round due to the complexity of the submissions in those categories. Should you require more time to work with your designers, don't worry. You can always extend the final round duration by purchasing an extension. As your designers put their noses to the grindstone, it is crucial to keep an eye on your contests once or twice a day. This is the stage where designers are most active, and your feedback will play a pivotal role in bringing their designs closer to your vision. You can also seize this moment to experiment with different design elements, such as fonts, color palettes, and layouts. For instance, you could ask, can we try the design in a warm color palette instead of a cool one? And if you are unsure of which direction to take, why not conduct a poll? By creating a poll, you can share the designs with your peers and receive ratings and suggestions on how to improve your designs. Once the final round is complete, the designers won't be able to submit any more submissions. Your contest will then proceed to the selecting a winner phase, where you'll have up to 14 days to choose your winning design. Exciting times ahead. And that's a wrap. You're now equipped with everything you need to enter the final round and work with our incredible creatives to perfect your final design. Remember, when initiating the final round, keep in mind that the final round automatically begins straight after you confirm your finalists. It lasts for 3 days for all categories besides web and app design. Check on your contests once or twice a day and be available for feedback to ensure your designs are finalised. Enjoy the final round and we'll see you online at 99designs by Vista.